Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share a screen in Google AI Studio. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open any tab in browser and search for Google AI Studio. And then you're going to scroll down and you're going to select the official website of Google AI Studio. So once you're over here, you'll be able to see a live button over here. But let's say you're not able to see that. First of all, you got to make sure that you're logged into your account and then just follow me along. You're going to click on the URL at the top and simply remove everything that is after aistudio.google.com. You're going to type in a slash and then type in live, press enter, and you'll be taken over to aistudio.google.com live. And now it says share audio from tab that will basically share your screen as well. So simply click on this over here and then it's going to connect to server and ask you which Chrome tab you wish to share, which window you'd like to share, or let's say you wish to share the entire screen. So I'm going to click on entire screen and click on share. And now you can see that screen sharing has begun and you can follow along. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.